Hi, I'm Alexander Chen and I'm the co-director of the Mills Fabrica. The Mills is a revitalization project, transforming an old textile mills into a new heritage and innovation hub. Fabrica is the innovation arm of the Mills, and we look to create startup success stories and also to create a global textile community. This place used to be one of the largest cotton spinners in the 50s and 60s. We have since transformed it and reopened it last December into a new heritage and innovation hub. So there's a museum here about Hong Kong's history in textiles. There's a retail more focused on experiential retail and an innovation space with co-working, prototyping lab, as well as a retail store. We'll be sharing a little bit more about the transformation story of the Mills and how it fits into Hong Kong's changing landscape in retail and innovation. But at the same time, we'll bring to you experiential workshops. So you can come to our booth and see our different startups and also use some of the machines that we have. Come to BAM Festival to experience the latest in lifestyle innovations, hear exciting stories, and even try a hand at some products and workshops.